So today we will see how we can delete our application which we created inside our Microsoft Entra ID. So for that, just click on this Microsoft Entra ID. You can search it over here as well. And if you go to app registration here, you can see under all application, you can see there are total two application which got created previously. Okay. So I'm going to delete one of them. So let's click on the first one. And after clicking on the first one, we will get the delete option over here. It is saying this app won't be able to sign in user or access resources. That's fine. We can go ahead and we can delete this application. So just click on this delete button. Once you click on this delete button, it will get deleted. Now, if we click on this refresh button, now we can't see that application anymore. So this is how you can delete your application. Thank you.